Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problem. I will show you how to create another tuple. This time the tuple will be the collection of the tuple describing the variables. We can do that because the tuple is also a variable. I will name this new tuple variables and pack inside the information about all variables in our problem. So I will type variables equal, and now open parentheses, and then this is the first variable in our collection, then comma, the second variable, then comma again, and the third variable, and last the fourth variable, the x. And I will close the collection with the close parentheses. Then I will show you how to extract each variable and execute the print variable for each of them. So I will say for variable in variables, so for each variable inside the variables tuple, print variable, and then I will say the content, the unpack operator of variable. Okay, so now I do not have to type print variable for each variable because the for loop will do that. So I will delete it. Now I will save the file and execute it. I am expecting the same result like in the previous tutorial. So, okay, and this is what I got. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.